Hi guys, today I've got this easy braided chignon. To start, leave some hair out to frame the face. Divide the hair in half and we're going to secure both of those halves into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck using clear elastic bands. Now grab some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, apply it across the top of the head and then pinch and pull to give you more texture. Now we're going to take that left hand ponytail and add a clear elastic band about shoulder height and then do a 3-strand braid on the remaining ends and tie these off with another elastic band. Don't pull the ends all the way through so you create a loop. Then we're going to just roll that braid in half and keep rolling until it meets that elastic band at the top. Now take that entire section and bring it over so it sits next to that right hand ponytail and secure it all down the right hand side with as many bobby pins as needed. Next, braid that right hand ponytail just in a regular 3-strand braid and tie it off with a band. Apply more texture spray to that braid and then just pinch and pull gently at the edge to give it a little bit more volume. Now we're just going to flip this braid up and over the top of that chignon and then secure it all the way across with as many bobby pins as needed. And with the tail ends, all we're going to do is wrap these around our fingers and then just tuck them underneath that chignon and pin them in place with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.